Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope that all of you are fine. So welcome to my channel. So in this video, as you have seen the title, I am gonna teach you how to remove any character from image without affecting its background. Okay? So if you are new to this channel, and I want you at the end of video, if you like or if you like anything about the video, so you can like my channel or subscribe my channel for further videos. Okay, so let's begin towards the computer screen. So first of all, open your Photoshop and take any three images. I have taken these images, so I am gonna take you through these images. Okay, first of all, unlock the layers. Okay, then go towards the lasso tool, select lasso tool. Okay, now select the outlines of the object or any character you want to remove from that particular image or particular background. Okay, so I want this character to be removed from this background, from this image, without affecting its background. So what I'm gonna do, I'm selecting with a lasso tool and I'm gonna outline it, this character. Then I'm gonna go to edit. Then I'm gonna go to content aware fill. Okay, content aware fill. Note it down. Go to content aware fill. This setup will open to on your screen. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Okay, this element, this feature of Photoshop is gonna do anything for you. Okay, everything for you. You don't have to even select anything. You just have to select the lasso tool and you just have to outline that object. Okay, and go to content aware fill and you have to just click content aware fill. This will automatically remove that character without affecting any part of that image. Okay, now you can click apply. As soon as I'm gonna click apply, you can see that there will be no a single character in that image and our image is fully, and the character from that image is fully removed. Now how you can deselect this? You can this selection of lasso tool, you can select Control plus D. With Control D, selection will be removed. As you can see, I have the image. There is not any single character. Okay, on that image, as there was a character, now it is not any character. So I have another image. So to make it more clear, I am showing you another image. With this image, I am gonna again do the repeat the same process. With the help of, first of all, I will select the lasso tool. With lasso tool, I am gonna outline the object I want to remove from that image. Okay, now I have selected the object, that character I have to remove. Now I will go to content aware fill. As you can see, automatically it removed the object from character from that image without affecting any part of the image, okay. So in this way you can remove any object or any character from the image without affecting its background. If you have any image or if you find any difficulty in any image, ask me in the comment below. I will there to answer you. Okay, now you can see that is done. Now our both the images are done with the same process. You can remove the background image character from this process, so it will not take your time, it will save your time. This tool is very efficient. makes your work very clear and efficient. So my video is ending here, so best of luck. So thank you for watching, thank you for your time. Okay, goodbye.